Selamat datang everybody. Welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. I want to share something with you. It's a secret recipe of hoisin sauce, so don't tell anybody, but keep watching. A hoisin sauce is a complex sauce, not because it's difficult to make, but it contains many ingredients, like 6 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 teaspoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 2 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of 5 spices powder, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. So many ingredients, but now the easy part. We're gonna add this to a saucepan, and then we're gonna heat it up, and it needs to simmer for a while until it thickens. This is the honey, look at it. And the mirin, mirin is Japanese sweet cooking wine. This is the chili sauce. This is my favorite spice mix. This is Chinese 5 spices. And then sesame oil. It looks like not much, but it is important for the balance in flavor. And of course, extra salt even. A lot of flavor comes out of these cloves now. Look at this. Ooh. There you go. For about 20 minutes, you see, the sauce is nice and thick, but it will become even thicker while cooling down. Let's taste. Yeah, it's good. So this lovely hoisin sauce, you can serve it with a lot of things, like dumplings, like bapao or lumpia bebek. I've made all these videos. You can check them out here on my channel. So this is my secret sauce. So don't tell anybody, but please try. Selamat makan.